Tired of drowning in WhatsApp messages and losing valuable customers in the process? Then let's dive into Aisensy, your all-in-one WhatsApp automation and marketing platform designed to revolutionize how you connect with your audience. Aisensy empowers businesses to streamline communication, boost sales, and provide exceptional customer support all through the power of WhatsApp. So, what can Aisensy do for you? Firstly, you can set up automated replies to answer frequently asked questions instantly, freeing up your team for more complex inquiries. Next, build powerful chatbots that guide customers through the sales process and resolve issues 24/7. Finally, send targeted broadcast messages to promote your products, announce updates, and keep your audience engaged. Let's get started. Once you've created your Aisensy account and connected your WhatsApp Business API, head over to the Chatbot Builder. Here, you can create custom conversation flows using a simple drag-and-drop interface, define triggers, craft responses, and even integrate with other apps to personalize the customer experience. Now, let's explore broadcast messaging. Segment your audience based on demographics, purchase history, or any other criteria, and craft personalized messages that resonate with each group. Track your campaign performance in real time and optimize your strategy for maximum impact. By implementing Aisensy, you can expect to see increased sales, improved customer satisfaction, and significant time savings for your team. Start your free trial today and discover how Aisensy can transform your WhatsApp communication strategy.